Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of Montessori class. Students, you are writing very fastly, very good. Now we will move towards a new letter D. Okay, you all familiar with the word D because we have done the reading. Now this is D, and how to write D? It's very easy. Same like this. First of all, write K. Start from this dot. Write K. Touch the upper line. Touch the lower line. Move upward and a straight line. Okay, must show this pattern to the students, please, parents. Okay, same like this. Write it and move to the next page. If your student is weak, then you can use the ending page whenever you want. Ending page of every letter is free, so you can use the page. Okay students, now how to write D? Start from here. First of all, write K. Touch the upper line. Write slowly. Touch the lower line. Like this. And a straight line. Okay. Erase it. Actually, I am focusing on mobile. Okay. Let's write again. First of all, like this and a straight line. Okay, this is D. Okay, this is correct. Same like this, do the practice of D on this page and send the picture to me.